This is situation 2 for part 2.
Hi, Miss Siegel. Can I have a word with you for a second? I have a student here. He has severe hearing loss, and
Mhm.
I've been working with him for the past few weeks, and we're getting closer to progress report. And I'm not sure that this student is understanding the concepts that I'm teaching. I have a lot of small group instruction where we do work one-on-one.
Mhm.
I know that this student is got a great personality and is willing to learn, but
Mhm.
I don't feel like I'm meeting up to his standards. Or do you have any suggestions? I mean, or how I can move forward with getting him to understand, what I'm teaching in class?
Yeah, so, I did, observe a little bit earlier during large group instruction and while he was working on his own work. And I did notice that we could probably use a little bit more, or I'm sorry, some more visuals. So some students with hearing loss, they require more visuals. So I think it's super important. I mean, even we require visuals when we're going somewhere. Think about the bathroom, right? So we have to look at the pictures. We don't always look at the words on the bottom. We look for the pictures. We look for the girl in the dress or the man with pants on. So I think it's really important to understand that a student who cannot hear as well probably needs more of those visuals to help them. Then they are more visual learners. So you could try adding more visuals during large group instruction time. So having like, I can get you a large core board, or I can get you some things that may help during
Okay.
instructional times. Um, and then while he's at the table, we could also figure out how to put more visuals in front of him. Um, Pairing word with picture would probably help a lot. And then maybe even using our FM system. So if you have um, the top
Aided.
chat, yes, connected, make sure you're using that and that you have it around you at all times. And then try to put the little individual device in front of him so that it's able to help. Um, Let me see, I'm trying to think, try to minimize as much background noise as possible. I know we're all in school. The kids are all, while they're working, they like to chat. But, if we're minimizing all of the background noise, it's easier for him to be able to focus on what he's doing. And then possibly, if it's okay, move him to the front of the classroom,
Okay.
closer to you, so that he can read your lips, or even just hear you more clearly. And then putting your classroom maybe in a U shape, if that's okay, so that he can better interact with all of his classmates. And then again, he's able to read lips of the classmates that are speaking, and he can focus more.
Those were some awesome tips. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to put that into practice as soon as possible. I appreciate your feedback and giving me that advice. And if you can check back with me in a few weeks and check on to see what the progress is and to see if I've made progress to help him.
Of course, yeah, definitely. And I can get you some of those visuals just to kind of start you out and help you
Okay.
with making them so that you can make whichever ones you need to go with your curriculum in the future. And then, yeah, we'll go from there.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate that.